In this video, I'm going to show you how to deposit into HankoTrade. Now, the first thing you have to do here on your dashboard, you want to click on Funds here under More and click on Deposit. Whenever you do this here, you will have to select what you want to deposit, so which cryptocurrency. I'm going to do, for example, Bitcoin, and then you want to select your account you want to credit. So I'm going to select this one I have. It's going to start loading a bit. There we go. And then you'll be able to see your currency, and then you have to enter the amount. So I want, let's say, $100 worth of Bitcoin inside my account. And then here, make sure you actually read this beforehand because it's very important. And then click on Proceed. It's going to take you to the next step over here, where basically what's going to happen is you're just going to receive your address. There we go. So you're going to be able to see your own QR code and your own wallet address, and then make sure you actually take your wallet address and then just send the Bitcoin or whatever crypto you're trying to transfer from any of your other wallets, such as like Binance, Coinbase, maybe like Phantom, stuff like that, onto over here, onto HankoTrade, and then you'll be able to track your deposit, and within just a few minutes, you'll be able to see your credit or your crypto on here, and you can start using it directly on HankoTrade. Okay, so make sure you use your own address, copy it, and then send via that. So that's how to deposit. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.